Hey guys, it's Vacuum 103 here, and today I have another vacuum that I want to do a review and show y'all. And some of you guys know this is not mine, it's my mom's friend's. So, yeah, this is the Hoover Rewind Multi-Stage Cyclonic. So yeah, this vacuum is not mine, it's my mom's friend's. They told me that this vacuum wasn't picking up, the hose was clogged up. And also, so everything was dirty. The filter was dirty, the dust cup, everything. So I cleaned them out. So, yeah, and this hose, I had to take this one off of that one. And some of y'all know, this one's the exact same like that one. So I had to take everything out and put on this one. I had to take this hose off, the filter, and the other filter right there. So yeah, so I'll go ahead and do a review of this. It's got 12 amps, it's got height adjustments, go from bare floor, low, high pile, carpet, got the Hoover logo right there. It's lighter weight, full power. Show you guys the brush roll. And the brush roll, the belt was almost broken, but it's not. And they used the wrong belt on this one. It was the shark style belt, but hey, what do I expect? But anyways, right here's the filter. Right here, but this one's off of the other Hoover. It's got core rewind. Reason why it's called rewind, you just take the cord out, pull it. When you're done, you simply push this little button, which is right here. Just don't want to go in. But anyways, the dark cup to release, you just push this little button. And to empty, you just push this little silver button right there. And got this filter inside, so you just take it out. There's the filter. This filter's off of the other Hoover. So, if I can get this back on, there we go. You also got the check indicator, which tells you that if red, which means it's time to clean your filter, or if the dark cup needs to empty, or if there's any clogs. Right top, it says never lose a section. It's got bottom release dark cup, performance check indicator, and onboard tools, which it doesn't have any attachments. So it's missing all the attachments, missing a turbo brush, extension wand, crevice tool, and dusting brush. Or out here, you got the hose. To release, you just push the button. You can see this hose is off of the Hoover Rewind. So you got the cord clip on top right there. You got your on-off switch right here, and you got your foot release right there. So yeah, I'll go ahead and demonstrate for you guys. So, now I don't know what happened to this cord. Let's see a new one. And on the rewind system, you stop at the yellow sticker. So, just put the cord clip in there. So yeah, this is my first time using the Hoover Elite Rewind, the newer one. Whoops. Then, now, I don't know if you guys could hear the brush roll spinning, but yeah, so here it goes. can hear how quiet this vacuum is. It almost sounded like the Bissell Power Force or whatever. So yeah, like, you kind of hear the brush wheel spinning, and it does sound a lot better since it's all cleaned out and stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this another vacuum review. It's been a while since I haven't done it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Peace.